Greetings! This tutorial guides you through configuring the Tik Tunnel Pro application on an Android device. By following these instructions, you will establish a secure VPN, virtual private network, connection, enhancing your online privacy. Begin by installing the Tik Tunnel Pro application. Access the Google Play Store application on your Android device. In the search bar, type Tik Tunnel Pro. Verify the application name and the corresponding icon to ensure the correct application is selected. Select Install to download and install the identified application. Once the application is installed, proceed with the initial setup. Launch the Tik Tunnel Pro application. Select the Update Resources button to ensure the application has the most current server list and configurations. Allow the resource update process to complete. The time required will vary depending on your internet connection. After the resource update, configure the server and connection settings. Select the server option to configure server preferences. Choose Auto Server for automatic selection of the optimal server. Subsequently, configure the connection method. Select the connection method option to configure the connection protocol. Choose All Countries, Unlimited for unrestricted access across available servers. Optional, if a specific geographic location is desired. Manually select your country from the list. Finally, initiate the VPN connection. Select the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. If prompted, grant the application VPN permissions by tapping OK or Allow. This is required for the application to function as a VPN. Observe the application interface to confirm that the VPN connection is active. This will typically be indicated by a change in status and/or an icon in the device's notification bar. With these steps completed, you have successfully configured Tik Tunnel Pro on your Android device. Your internet traffic will now be routed through a VPN server, enhancing your online privacy and security.